In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Solana wallet on Grass. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to link your Solana wallet on Grass. In order to link this account and verify it, what you have to do is access your dashboard and then go into the rewards. So sign into your account, make sure that your email is verified. If you still have not verified your email, you can tap on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and you will be able to check the current status. Once it is properly verified, then you can go into the rewards, and in here, the secondary step should be connect wallet. So all that you have to do to link your Solana wallet to Grass is to choose Connect Wallet. Immediately upon selecting this, it is going to try to detect wallets that are installed in your PC, either as an extension or applications. So for example, if you have the Phantom Wallet extension, it should automatically detect it and pull it up. So if it says detected, it means that it got the wallet and you can choose it from the list. If it doesn't appear for whatever reason, choose more options and follow the instructions here. Now, I'm going to be using the Phantom Wallet as an example. Let's say it gets detected for you as well and you choose it here. You will then get the pop-up where you can connect Grass to Phantom Wallet. So you will see the current account that you are using, double check to see if this is correct, if for whatever reason you have multiple accounts, and once you establish this connection, the last thing to do is to verify the wallet. Take this option if you are using a ledger as well. And once you verify this wallet, you will receive an email from Grass telling you to verify the connection. If you approve this connection, the wallet that you chose in this example, Phantom, will now be linked to Grass successfully. You will be able to manage everything on your dashboard and you can establish this connection immediately after verifying your email address. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Solana wallet on Grass. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.